Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again, it is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I'm super excited. As y'all can see, man, I'm feeling the vibe right now, okay? I'm feeling the vibe. It has been a very long time. I've been waiting for this moment for a very long time, and I'm happy that I could bring this back to the Snipe Squad, you know what I'm saying, to my family, yeah? Shouts out to everybody in the building right now. Before we get the video started, hit the subscribe button, guys. Let's try to hit that 100,000 by the end of the year. We only got a few months left, and it's not looking that good, bro. I ain't gonna lie, it's not looking that good, but I'm not gonna keep screaming it. We're gonna keep screaming it until we hit it. Woo! Man, I've been collecting sneakers, which seems like a very long time. And with that comes so many pickups that you wish you had, so many pickups that you finally get, and we all have that list of grails. Honestly, guys, I have an entire list on GOAT where I scroll up and down. I think it's called like a wish list or a save list or something like that, and you basically save up all the sneakers that you want in your collection, whether you want to get those later or, you know what I'm saying, you want to be reminded that you didn't get them yet. I often go up and down another list, and there's one sneaker in particular I've been wanting for a very long time, to be honest. It's been a while, bro. It's been a while. Now I can finally say I have that sneaker in hand, and I have that sneaker for you guys. I got this shoe for a great deal before I even showed it. I got it for a great deal. Shout out to my homie Roland. He came through with a great deal, but it did come with a defect that I think I will be able to fix, man. I really hope I can. And without further ado, let's get into the sneaker because I just need to see it. Here we have it. I have been eyeing these for a very long time, man. These are the Oregon Duck Foamposites. Now, this sneaker has been on my list for so long. I know for a fact this upcoming, what was that? SneakerCon California, out in Bay Area. I said I needed these. Me and Unbreakable, we walked up to a table. I seen these, but they did not have them in my size. Now, this sneaker has been out for a while. I think this shoe dropped in like what, 2016, 2017, somewhere around there. The Oregon family has always been huge on all of the Nike products or all of the Nike sneakers, and even a lot of the merch, because obviously Phil Nike is his alma mater and is, you know, Oregon. So of course they get all of the latest and dopest stuff. When it comes to Oregon PEs, man, Action Breakable, you know, he knows, but when it comes to a lot of those Oregon coveted sneakers, this is not as highly as all of the Jordans, like a Jordan 3 or a Jordan 5, but to me, y'all know I'm a foam head, and I've always been talking about how foams are dying out. And even though I still believe foams are dying out, it's just a fact. We can never forget about the classic sneakers like this here. This shoe is, man, it means so much to me to have them. Now, I know I told you guys that it was a small defect. Well, actually, not really a small defect. It's kind of a big one. Now, as you can see, man, this shoe looks VNDS, right? It looks barely worn. I got this for a great deal. Now, the homie Roland gave me this shoe for a great price once again, but the defect was his daughter. Okay, his daughter dropped cranberry juice, spilled it on the floor, and he did not know, and it stained the bottom sole of the sneaker, which is right here. Now, I actually, when I first seen it, as y'all can see, the front is VNDS, but the back is, man, it's all bad. Now, when I first seen this shoe, I was like, yo, bro, like, can this be brought back to life? I do have a good friend of mine named Alex, who I really do think he can get these soles back right. He does a lot of customs out here in Atlanta, and I need to link up with him and see if I can do it right. I even thought about doing some type of rejuvenator project to see if I can get these back right, but I think this will take a lot more than just some cleaning and scrubbing, because the cranberry juice is stained inside the sole. Regardless of the fact, man, even though the soles are stained, man, I could not pass up on these. I got these for only 200 bucks, and like I said, bro, it's just a steal. You get Oregon Duck Foams, VNDS, like, look at these, bro, VNDS for only 200 bucks. But this defect though, like it's a big defect. Now, I know a lot of people who does not collect sneakers, you probably like, oh bro, it's the bottom of the shoe, it's gonna get dirty anyway. Listen, I completely understand that, and that's why I bought it. Now, I still bought it. Obviously, it didn't hurt me that much because I still bought it. On top of that, I do think we can bring these back. I know a lot of you guys out there, you customize sneakers, you do like the whole re-gluing soles, and some of you guys might be dyeing soles or cleaning soles. If any of you guys are interested in cleaning these or getting these right, man, let me know. And I do need to see some work before I just ship them off. And honestly, you know what, bro? I don't know, bro. It's a Grail to me. I don't know if I just want to ship this off to a random, but if you nice, man, you got some great work, and I can hit a few people up and they can verify for you, I might send these your way and see if you can get these off, because you know I do need to rock these ASAP. Now, of course, I'm not going to do a full review because this sneaker dropped a very long time ago, but I do want to go over some of the details that I do love about the sneaker. For some reason, man, like the sole has like this speckled type sparkle look, and I'm not really sure where they get it from, because the University of Oregon does not have any of this like going on in their mascots or their design or anything like that. But what I can say is it is a great touch. The upper is just completely black, and it has the 3M engraved all on the upper of the sneaker. Now, the design of the 3M is kind of like a bird's wings, you know what I'm saying? Because the Oregon Ducks look like duck wings wrapped around the entire sneaker, engraved all around the shoe. But my favorite part to me is either the green mesh on the tongue mixed in with the green laces, and then you flip it over to the back, man, and you get that Oregon Duck logo on the back, and then you get the duck prints on the back as well. Also on the pull tabs, you get Oregon on one side and you get ducks on the other. This shoe is just completely fire. Like I said earlier in the video, if you just go back maybe what 2 videos, you can literally see me holding this shoe with a thumbnail like this. So that just lets you know how much I wanted this sneaker and how happy I am to get it. Now, I do want to shout out a few of you guys who told me that you can help me out get these for a great price, but I had my eye on these for a while. I've been chopping it up with bro for a while, and like I said, man, $200 for my Grail. Can't beat it, man. You can't beat it, even with the defect. Like I said, I really think we can get this out. I want to ask you guys, if you're a foam head, I know a lot of you guys don't care because you don't like Foamposite, it's not your shoe, but this one is for my foam guys, man. Would you buy this sneaker? Look at this, bro. Would you buy this shoe for $200? And if you say no, I guess I understand, from the simple fact that some people they don't like defects. But me, bro, these are going for a nice chunk of change. Even worn, they're going for $500, $600, $200. You know what I'm saying? For like, and once this was clean, this will look just like this one. This is exactly what both of them would look like if it wasn't for the obvious cranberry stain. But listen, man, your boy Snipe is gonna be rocking these regardless. Say worst case scenario, I can't get this stain out. You think that's gonna stop me from rocking it, bro? Hold on, you really think that's gonna stop me from rocking it, bro? Listen, I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm rocking it. That's on dog. I will rock these. I will rock these. Man, I only have a few Foamposites left that I need in my collection, the must-haves. I finally got the Galaxy joints, the alternate Galaxy joints. I finally got these here. The only 2 that I absolutely need is the original Galaxy Foamposite, and of course, actually hold up, it's 3. The original Galaxy Foamposite, of course, the Dornbecker, and last but not least, the Paranorman that I plan on getting whenever I hit 100,000 subscribers, just to congratulate myself. Now, I know those are a lot of hype beast pairs, so a lot of my foam guys are like, yo, you don't even want the hype ones, but those are also the ones I used to marvel after growing up. Like this shoe I used to marvel after, man. Like, I love it. I still love it. Even while the foams are in this climate that it's in right now, slowly dwindling, this shoe is still amazing to me. This shoe is still great to me. And to my knowledge, this is the only Foamposite PE ever. Or I don't know if y'all want to call it a PE, but obviously, you know what I'm saying, it has the Oregon theme through it, so we can call it a Oregon PE. This is the only, unless you want to call the UNC Foamposite Pros a PE, but it doesn't have any North Carolina branded. It just has the white and it has the blue UNC colorway. But this one I will call a complete PE. You got the Oregon stamps, man, the Oregon logos, the Oregon engraved all throughout the entire sneaker, and you know, like I said, it's fire. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Your boy Snipe then came up on his Grail, man. I'm super happy to bring these into the collection. I will be rocking these ASAP, like I said. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I will link those down below in the description. Before you head out, make sure you tell me if you would buy these for $200. That is a question I want to know down below in the comments. I will be reading these and responding to these because I want to see what everybody here is like. Was this a good buy or a bad buy? My opinion, even if I cannot get these stains out, $200, it's the bottom of the sneaker, bro. It's not, listen, I ain't gonna hold you. Would I like for these to be dead stock? Yes, but they not. I'm not tripping over that, bro. Like worst case scenario, I'm not tripping over that. $200. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you, and you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really put in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.